Do you ever get stuck of what food to bring when you go out wild camping? Well, tonight, me and Chris have brought an absolute delight with us. As we get further along, we'll show you what we've brought, but it's no dehydrated meal, it's not a cup of soup, it's not a pot noodle. This is fresh 5-star cuisine.
Gourmet.
In the hills.
Golden blue.
So stick around and we'll show you what we've brought. In the meantime, you know the score. Scenery and chat music. Chris still won't come back for camera, the shathead. Well, we're doing a lot better on the walk up this time. To say it's Chris's second wild camp. You're feeling it, aren't you, tonight?
Aye.
Yeah.
Since last time, I've done nothing.
But his body is now conditioned to hikes. I did say to him, does he fancy doing Pen again? But he said no.
Not quite there yet.
We're not going up Pen again. We are going to go a little bit further on, see if we can find a spot, and then it is Michelin 5-star cuisine. I hope you're getting excited.
I know I am.
Yeah, I am. Compared to the last meal that I had when I was out wild camping with our kid.
Rehydrated, dehydrated.
Dehydrated, rehydrated, yeah. Spicy pot noodles. All I could taste was broccoli. But no, some proper 5-star stuff tonight. Oh, we've made it to the spot.
Final destination.
Yeah. Got to do with the reveal for Chris.
Is it that time?
That time, mate. Go for it.
Let's do it.
Best feeling in the world, this, isn't it? Looks like he's going on some sort of Splinter Cell mission, does Chris? Yes, I know. So you're all excited about what we're going to cook tonight. Well, I'm going to show you from start to finish. I might cut some little bits out, but we're at the spot and it's an absolutely stunning spot. We haven't put us tents up yet, it's still a little bit early, but yeah, I'll show you what I'm going to cook and then we'll show you what Chris is going to cook. 5-star dining. Right, so we have tonight some coriander, some tomatoes and some slaw, some soft pitters. You're getting excited? The mouth is watering already, I can see it. And then look at this little bad boy. It's a little griddle by Ridge Monkey. Perfect if you're going to do toast. The handles pop off, and you do get some little spatulas in there, so handy to cook. And we're cooking on the alcohol stove. But what have I got? I'm still hearing you ask. We're going to cut some tomatoes on the old chopping board. Some tomatoes. Could have done with windshield there. A couple of tomatoes there. Oh, lovely. That was an excited tomato, wasn't it? That one. A bit softies. A couple of tomatoes. Beautiful. Beautiful, that. Take that out there like that. And some coriander. Chop that up a bit because I absolutely love coriander. Some coriander bits in there. Doesn't matter about the stalks. Walter is keeping an eye on things. Right. Now, mix that up. Cut some more tomatoes up in a bit. There we go, that's my salad. If you want, you can add a bit of pepper, a bit of white pepper. Stronger is white pepper, isn't it? Look at that, a bit of pepper. And then what we will do is get a bit of oil. Put some oil. There we go, right. Put just a tad, not much, just a tad of oil. There we go. Right, let's see what happens there. And all the spices are in this little trusty spice bag, condiments bag. And then get the handle back on. And then in here, it's still a bit cold. Stay there, stay there. Shove this in. Now this is frozen shawarma. If you can cook it from frozen, because it's cooked. And then what we'll do, that should be enough for the first one. Just close that, leave that there. Coriander. Put that back in there. A little chopping board. Rodney, do you want to get out of shot, mate? Put that back there so it's nice and safe. And then we'll just wait for the sizzle. And then we'll put it in the soft bitters so they're nice and soft and fresh. And then we've got a bit of chili sauce and mint yogurt sauce. So that's still going there. So eventually we should start hearing the sizzle. It's cooking just nice on this little grill. Absolutely fantastic. There'll be a couple of burnt bits in there as well for the extra flavour from the... To be fair...
Look, I can smell that steak over here.
Yeah, you can. It smells bloody beautiful, doesn't it? We are going for the second... Right, here we go. Look, a bit of slaw. Coriander. Chris don't like coriander.
Oh, devil's food. Disgusting.
Yeah, it's lovely. Get all that in there. Look at this. Some of that. Me hands have been sanitised. I have got some sanitising gel in my pack. Look at. We're gonna go chili sauce. This is it. Not too much, just a little taste. There we go. Garlic and chilli sauce, that is. Lovely. Have this. Like I say, it is cooked. There's this already. All I'm doing is just giving it a warm up. Ooh, look at crispy, crispy, crispy bits. Right. Shot in. The money shot. Yeah, 25 quid this. Ridge Monkey. Non-stick pan.
What do you think about your
Alcohol stove.
alcohol stove then?
Lovely, great stuff. It's done the job tonight. And then we'll just use that last bit of yoghurt sauce. Yoghurt and mint sauce. And there we have it. Oh, yeah. Wild camping food. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful. And I'll show you what I've got in the fridge. Stay there, you two. Because they've just dried off of Rodney and Walter. I don't want them coming down here. In the fridge, because you've got to have it when you're having chicken. A bottle of white wine. Here we go. Put these in about 2 hours ago. White wine, chicken shawarma. Oh yes. Excuse me if I've got yoghurt sauce all over my mouth. We'll see what Chris is having in a minute. So there you have it. But I haven't finished there yet. I've got something else to have later on. We've put there. She's got a couple of cans of pop we don't drink. I put a couple of cans of
beer. It's beer.
It's ginger beer.
It says beer on can.
Yeah. Put a couple of cans in stream. And it's not cooled them down. They've been in there a few hours, haven't they?
Yeah. Since we got. Must have been good, isn't it?
Yeah. If you at home have got any more meal suggestions that I could try out, drop a comment in the box and I'll try them out maybe next time I come out on a wild camp. Now don't forget, in a couple of weeks little Middy is doing his first solo. So that'll be the next video out after this one. So make sure you look out for that one. Little Middy doing his first solo wild camp. He is filming it. I'm sure he's a bit nervous about doing it, but he's going to do it. Take a couple of beers with him and he's going to film the whole process of him, how he's feeling and how he gets on. Ooh. That chilli and garlic sauce. Ooh. Where's that white wine? So I'm just cooking another chicken shawarma. Chris, what are you having?
Tonight I am having a steak.
He's
Steak
cooking
and
a
asparagus.
Wow. Oh, asparagus. That always makes my piss stink, does asparagus.
And broccoli.
And he's got a little griddle set up. I'll show you this. Look at the size of that steak. That is a beast. He's got the MSR pocket rocket tonight. He's not cooking on the alcohol stove, as I am. But yeah, once he gets that on the... starting to smoke now, is that in it? Look at that. Once he gets that on there, we shall see the sizzle. So what's your thoughts on the chicken shawarma idea? Is it something that you do? Or do you go even more 5-star Michelin? That is a chunk of steak, is that, Chris? Look at that bad boy. Sun's just gone down over that hill now, so we're going to start setting the tents up in a bit. It's about 8:15. 8:15 now. But yeah, look at that, that's a beauty. Got me away. A red
16 ounce.
16 ounce.
From Lidl. It's just a rump. It's a 16 ounce rump.
Got some asparagus to go with it. But that is a steak and a half. Rodney is proper eyeing it up. Come on.
Yeah,
come on.
Since I come.
Come here.
Some broccolini and asparagus.
Look at this. Oh.
I'm going to fry them up as well.
Proper 5-star dining. With the old bit of white wine. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Yeah. Rodney, away. Rodney, away.
You might get some if you're lucky.
Bit of steak if you're lucky. Yeah, 16 ounce. Come here, boys. Come here. Walter's got his treat. I've given Rodney one, but for some reason Rodney does not eat treats in the hills. Loves them in the house, just does not eat them in the hills. Dear matey, what's up with you? Huh? Tell you what he's waiting for. He's waiting for little cocktail sausages that I brought him. Chris's steak is cooked.
Half of it.
Half in it, yeah, half in it. Look at that bad boy. Ooh. Oh, he's got a bit of butter going in pan. He just put his other steak on there, look. It'll be dark by the time he eats that. That looks amazing. Amazing. That absolutely looks amazing, does that? Yeah, we'll get that eaten and then we'll set up for the night, I reckon. But yeah, if you've got any more recommendations for a nice 5-star Michelin star dining experience, let us know. And yeah, I'll try cooking it. But yeah, we'll come back when Chris is about to tuck into this meal. What's that bloody... Oh, we'll come back when Chris is about to tuck into his succulent meal. Right set up, isn't it? Look at this. It's a right set up. I bet you don't even eat this well at home, do you?
I do.
So that was the Ridge Monkey little grill. Like I said, the handles come off of it, so it's nice and compact. Absolutely brilliant little piece of kit. Works really well on an alcohol stove, so if you want to cook something and you don't want to be turning it with a fork or whatever, just give it a little flip over. Absolute fantastic. Works well on an alcohol stove, as you've seen. Chicken shawarmas, beautiful. Gordon Ramsay's nearly finished his meal. Giving the old little flickage.
Done.
All done? Tongs there, look. Tongs so you don't burn your fingers. Lovely jubbly. Don't you go in that water, you. There we go. Yeah, we're gonna get his tents set up in a minute, because like I said, we're losing daylight and we don't want to leave it too late. Go on then, Chris, what we're reckoning?
Yeah, that's good that.
Yeah?
It's good that. I couldn't have had better if I'd have gone out and paid for it.
Brilliant. That's what it's all about sometimes. You've got to have a good meal. A good, decent, flavoursome, bursting with flavour meal. Oh, here we go. Steak's going in. The steak is going in.
Oh yeah.
Perfect as well, yeah.
Cooked to perfection.
Yeah.
And we've still got half to go.
Half to go. A bit dark by the time he's finished the size of them steaks.
Yeah, all the time.
I know. So we'll get us self set up and we'll bring you back just for a general chit chat. Hit that like, give us a subscribe, that'd be brilliant. And more to come. More to come, like I said, our kid is doing his first solo. So anybody out there that's about to do your first solo, it'll be a good one to watch that, because he's very nervous about it, as I was. Bit of anxiety. Walter's gone in the water again. Walter, come on out now. Come on out now. You dry off. Rodders hasn't gone in the water.
Disney films before he goes instead of Freddy Krueger.
Yeah. Chris said to our kid, if you're watching, our kid, which you probably will be, well, you might be, you might not be, you might have clicked off of it after 5 minutes. Just watch a nice Disney film, he said, before you go out. No Craigie, no Freddy Krueger, no horror films. Nice up would be a good one. Rodders has got his coat on. I brought it with him. Here he is, look. His little grey sweatshirt on, look. Says, I'm trouble on the back. So it's nice and warm. I'm going to get your sleeping bag set up out of it so you can get in the tent. Yeah, there they are, look. The boys. The boys. Walter's got wet feet now because he's been in the beck. Yeah, we'll bring you back just to say good night. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm talking about his steak, not his legs. So it's absolutely pictures now. The tents are set up. We're absolutely full to the brim with 5-star dining.
Oh yes.
Yes, definitely. Chris is just having his ginger beer.
Ginger beer.
I've sucked my 2 bottles of wine. I'm just on the dead man fingers rum, and let's have a look. What is it? What's it called? That stuff. Dead man fingers rum and coke. It's not a bad little tipple. So it's still quite warm, and we just sat chilling out, just having a chat, speaking absolute crap. But that's what you do when you go with your mates wild camping. It's been a great night so far. And we'll see you. Oh, that's what I've got. Look, I forgot. We're still 5-star dining here. Look, here we go. Hang on a minute.
You've got some snicky snacky snooze on you.
chorizo and cheese. We're still going. We're still snacking. We're still snacking.
Got spam and eggs for morning.
Spam and eggs for morning. So yes, we shall see you in the morning. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it so far, and we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Good night. Good morning. It is early.
20 past 5.
20 past 5. Wow. The 5-star dining hasn't ended last night. This morning we are having the old favourite. Spam.
And eggs.
And eggs. Spam and eggs. Chris is the chef this morning. He has got the full get up. So there you go, another idea for a hearty breakfast when you're out wild camping. So we'll have this. I'm hoping he's brought some tomato sauce.
I've got one little sachet.
We'll have this. We will get packed up. But in the meantime, I'll quickly show you Chris's tent. The beast is back. The Euro Hike, what is it, Shadow?
Shadow Hawk 250 or something?
250, Euro Hike 250 Shadow Hawk. 40 quid?
Or just Shadow.
Oh, Shadow, yeah.
Yeah.
It's it's got nightfall, technology inside. But it was still awake early doors. But it does work nights. The sun is coming up behind me, as you can see. And I'm in the old Fairfield. Nature out, Cloud Pig 2. That's all I'm saying about that. The eggs are in. The spam is cooked. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for at 5:30 on a Sunday morning?
A lift back to car.
A lift back to car, yeah. A lift back to car. That'd be good. Yeah, that would be good. So if this is your sort of thing and you've enjoyed the video, just remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you could hit that subscribe button, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to drop a comment below, I always answer the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. It does mean a lot if you tune in whenever I head out to the hills, or if I'm doing a chat video around the local park or the local woods. But yes, getting out wild camping is the best medicine. Oh, and we saw, Chris, what did we see last night?
Welcome to Shooting Stars.
Shooting star. Bright little bugger it was as well, yeah.
Surprised us that, didn't it?
Yeah. It did. The shooting star. And it's the first one I've seen.
First one I've seen.
First one you've seen, yeah.
50 years of living.
50 years of living. Show eggs, Chris, look. Look at them bad boys, yes.
Golden Yorkers.
Chocky tabler. Well, we've packed up. The boys are ready to go. Quick final check of the spot. Leave no trace. Follow the rules. Shush. Shush. We're going in a minute. Eager to get off. Eager to get off. Eager to get off. It's just after 7 o'clock. It's been another cracking camp. Chris is just getting loaded up. Didn't sleep much, did you, mate?
I hadn't slept at all, to be fair. But
not because he were uncomfortable, he works nights, so
so I'd only just finished, didn't I, yesterday morning?
yeah.
So it was sleep time yesterday, to be fair, and I didn't sleep much yesterday, so I'll sleep today.
Yeah, sleep today. I'll get home. Might even have a barbecue, but after that spam butty, I'm a bit full, but there was a major accident. Major accident.
Salt last time, pepper this time.
Salt in his tea last time. Loads of pepper on mine, it all came out like a bloody tidal wave, I don't know. Anyway, I shall see you on the next one. Don't forget, in a couple of weeks, Little Mid is going out solo. He will be filming it. So that should be definitely a good watch. Hopefully he'll shat his pants. No, he'll be alright, he'll be alright. He's picked out his spot. So the next video that'll be out will be Little Mid's video. Thanks for watching. And Little Mid, I'll see you on the next one.
See you in a bit.
Go back for camera.
Go back for camera.
Still won't come back for camera.